guys, welcome to the 2022 18 Days Get Abs Challenge. We have a fun and intense 10-minute ab routine and you're gonna love it. You can find the 18-day schedule on my website, which has tons of useful features and it's all free. You're not in this journey alone, so do share your progress with the rest of the community on YouTube, Instagram and TikTok with my hashtags so we can support one another. Smash that thumbs up button for me, leave a comment down below and share this workout with your friends so you can do this challenge together, and let's get into it.
We got 14 ab exercises in this workout, 30 to 40 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds of rest in between. Get on the mat and we're gonna start with V-sit scissors.
I know this shit is sounding so.
Sit on the mat, engage your core, lean back slightly with a straight back. Now lift your legs up and cross them over. Remember to breathe and focus on your abs.
I know you don't love me, searching for something, it's still in my bloodstream. See all the rich kids, they think they above me. Said I was dusty, now I got a blushing. Life goes on and on and on. All my friends say nonchalant. I like my bitches with some edge, they avant-garde. She a pop star phenomenon, and it goes on. All my friends make art and sell down. All my friends make art and sell down. You wanna know the craziest thing? All my friends.
10 seconds rest now. Get ready to get into a high plank position for plank leg lift and abduction. Lift the left leg up, drive it back down towards your left side, swipe it back to the middle and then repeat. We're working the left side for 15 seconds, then swapping to the other leg. Brace your core here and keep your back neutral. Let's work the other side. Short rest here and we've got plank rainbows. Get into a low plank position. Now lift your leg up and over and repeat on the other side. Make sure you keep your core tight.
Paradise is for fools. Paradise is for candle shit. Crash my whip. Gotta throw up cause I'm so lovesick. We don't click. Paradise is for fools. Paradise is for fools.
You still the baddest one I've ever been with. But if paradise for fools, then I guess I'm tripping. Smoking mirrors all around, you gotta know the difference.
Flip around onto your mat and Russian twist is next.
I won't find out. Been a great time, but goodbye, now I'm signed out.
Lean back slightly with a straight back and now twist from one side to the other. Lift your legs off the mat to make it a little bit more challenging. Make sure you focus on your abs and the movement. This exercise is great for your obliques too.
I got some sins that I gotta live with. Always comes with more pressure when you know you're gifted.
Great work guys, get flat on the mat for corkscrews.
But still got the nerve to ask why.
Lift your hips off the mat using your core muscles, then twist it slightly to one side. Then lower your hips down slow and control and repeat on the other side. This exercise is great for your lower abs and obliques. And make sure you use your core to lift your hips here.
Until we go our separate ways.
Whole life flip. Started with love and then with drug trips. We don't click. Paradise is for fools. Paradise is for candle shit. Crash my whip. Gotta throw up cause I'm so lovesick. We don't click. Paradise is for fools.
10 seconds rest now and we got reverse plank hip dips.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep.
Get into a reverse plank position with your hands placed below your shoulders. Engage your core, glutes and quads and now dip your hips from side to side. Make sure you keep working on that core the entire time.
I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past. I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down. I might take a nap, and they thought I was playing.
Flip around into a low plank and we're working on your obliques with hip dips. Now in a low plank position, dip your hips from side to side. Focus on your core here.
I can't stay for too long. I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash. Yeah, adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote. You gotta know. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep. Please make my life more simple.
Great work guys, you're doing well. We're almost halfway through the workout. Flip around, roll up to V-sit is next.
But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have.
Lay flat on the mat and now roll up using your core strength and then lift your legs up. Make sure your back is straight when you're sitting up and roll back down slowly and repeat. Keep going guys, you got it. Rest up a little and leg drop to crossbody crunch is next. Keeping your back flat on the mat, lower your legs down a little, then back up and bring your elbow across to the other side and make sure you don't arch your back as you don't want to strain your lower back. It can be a little bit challenging now, but it will get easier over time. Keep going.
To the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
You're doing great guys. Get ready to go into a side plank for side plank variation with a twist.
1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got a hops.
Keep your body straight by engaging your core, quads and glutes. Then once you are stable, twist and touch the mat with your elbow. Then back to the original position and repeat. You can do it.
She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I been getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tires square.
Flip around and we'll work on the other side. Side plank can be a little bit challenging at first, but it'll get easier over time. We got 3 more exercises to go after this guys. Keep pushing, you got this.
She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Great job guys, get flat on your back and we've got bicycle crunch variation coming up. Touch your knee with your opposite elbow, then touch your foot and repeat on the other side. Your abs should be burning at this point. Short rest now, reverse crunch leg drop is next. Lift your hips off the mat using your core muscles, then lower your legs down slowly and make sure you don't arch your back. Final 10 seconds rest of this workout, catch your breath, and straight leg crunch is next. Have your legs as straight as possible and keep a slight bend if your hamstrings are a little tight. Then crunch up and touch your toes. And that's the workout, guys. I hope your abs are feeling the burn. Do check out my store for some cute merch if you want to support me and my channel. I really appreciate it. Like and comment down below with what workouts you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!